friend, I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss how to install operating system with a bootable pen drive. Two of my friends asked me, please make a video on how to install operating system with bootable pen drive and also teach us how to activate that Windows without having a product key. So if you are also wanting the same, here is the solution. First of all, you need two things to install operating system. One, of course, a laptop, and the another thing you need a 8 GB of pen drive. By the way, if your Windows is corrupt, you need another laptop like this one to make a bootable pen drive. So without wasting your time, let's go to the screen and I will show you how to do so. Go to the Google and search Windows 10 download. Open the first link, scroll down, download tool now. Open it and run as administrator. Click yes. Click on accept. Make sure to click on create installation media and click on next. Click on next. Make sure to click on ISO file. Click on next. Save the file where you want. I will save on my desktop. So I will just click on save. Click on finish. So we can see our Windows is ready here over here. So now you need to download a Rufus software to make a bootable pen drive. So to download it, just go to the Google and search Rufus. Click on the first link, scroll down and download from here. I will download this one. I think I have already downloaded, so I'm just going to cancel it. Just open it. Make sure to insert your pen drive into laptop and it will appear here. You can see mine, Sam. It's a 16 GB of pen drive. Now select the file you have just downloaded. Make sure to change it to MBR. Click on start now. So our bootable pen drive is ready. So just close it. I will show you. See, it is now ready. Before going further, make sure you have plugged in your charger into your laptop. Let's go. Now insert your pen drive into laptop. Shut down your system. Turn it on again and press escape button until you enter into the BIOS setting. After open a startup menu, go to boot menu. Uh, sorry, go to on BIOS setup and then go to on advanced, open boot option and make USB on first priority. Save it. Tick on legacy boot order. Go back and save. Click on install. Accept it and click on next. Go with the custom installation. Over here you can see lots of partitions and you see partitions number 4 have my name, that is Sam. I have kept my all personal files over there, so I'm not going to choose this. Choose this wisely because you can lose your all the data, so choose this wisely. So you can see in partition number 3 there is a 169 GB. I'm going to format that and install. All done now. Now you need to set up the windows. Set up according to your needs. See how easy it was. So if you have a further queries or having a problem during the installation process, just let me know. I would happy to help you. Thank you.